Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You start by making the device accessible. Charge it above 30% and connect to Wi-Fi or cellular. Once done, sign into the Google account linked to the phone on another device so you can use recovery tools. If a backup PIN or the Android forgot pattern prompt appears, try that first because it avoids data loss. Make sure you know whether Find My Device was enabled. That determines whether you can remotely lock or erase the phone without a factory reset. Next, try Google Find My Device. Sign in and attempt to lock with a new password, then unlock the phone with that password. If the device is offline or that fails, consider the ADB method, but only if USB debugging was enabled previously and the phone was trusted by your PC. Connect via ADB and remove /data/system/gesture. Key to clear the pattern. This works because Android stores the pattern hash in that file. Make sure to reboot after removal to apply changes. If nothing else works, perform a factory reset from the recovery menu. Power off, use the device-specific key combo to enter recovery, then choose Wipe Data/Factory Reset. This erases everything but removes the pattern lock, so restore from Google Backups afterward by signing into your original account. If you encounter factory reset protection, make sure OEM unlocking was enabled previously or contact the manufacturer with proof of ownership. One troubleshooting tip. If FRP blocks access, gather purchase info and support documents to expedite official unlock assistance.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.